Hey, what's up everyone? I have exciting news. I have designed and launched my new products in my store. This is a perfect way to express your love for silver. We have the I Heart Silver shirts. We have different colorways, so whichever you prefer. We also have the Got Silver t-shirt, which is a very simple but important question to ask. We have different colors in that shirt as well. We also have mugs. We have the I Heart Silver mug with the silver American Eagle on the back. We even have some gold buffalo shirts and gold buffalo mugs, all extremely affordable stuff. This is a perfect way, a unique way, a fun way to share your love for silver and also look good as well. So make sure you check out, the link will be in the description below. Hey, welcome back everyone. This is Silver Slayer. Today I want to make a video centered more for beginners. Lately I've been talking a lot about the news that's been going on in the silver world, some more complicated stuff, and I know I have a lot of new people in my channel or coming to my channel, and I want to also engage with them as well because silver stacking is not easy. It does take a lot of trial and error and also a lot of thought behind your direction you want to go and figuring out which direction you want to go in the future as well, because it really does take a lot of understanding yourself, your future plans, your target goals, because not every type of silver fits every type of direction. A lot of people do start off with more basic coins like American Eagles and generic rounds, and that is a perfect way to get into it. It's also cheap silver, so it's not as risky. When you get into some higher premium stuff or some more numismatic coins, there's a lot of money involved, and that can be a lot more scary or a lot more intimidating than just going to your local coin shop and picking up some junk silver or American Eagles. So today I want to explain, I just want to hopefully better comfort you in figuring out which direction you want to go, because that is the most important thing when you first get into silver stacking. There are a lot of there's a lot of coins out there, and I always do recommend diversifying because diversification is key. But in the beginning, I definitely think there are some smarter coins you should be buying. Now, what are these coins? These are bullion coins. So bullion is just buying silver for the metal content, the silver that's inside the coins. There's no collector value on top of the coins. They're always around spot price, which is good because spot price right now is around $15-16, so it's not like you're having to break the bank, buying your silver. Some coins, when you do go later on in your journey, if you do want to dive into some different waters, there are coins that are several $100s, several $1,000s. Not saying you have to take that direction, but they're out there, so you really can go across the board with silver stacking, and it's really up to you. I also do want to say the main thing to do is buy what you like, because at the end of the day, if you buy what you like, you can never go wrong. Even if that coin, is worthless or loses its, collector value, at least you have a coin you enjoy, and that's the best advice I can give. I also can really only speak from my own experience as a silver stacker. I've been stacking silver for about 6-7 years, and I can't really talk about which direction you should go, because everyone has different financial situations, different stacking strategies, different selling time frames, different buying time frames, live in different parts of the world. So it's really something that you have to figure out on your own. All I can do is share what worked for me and share my opinions, and then if you want to also apply those to your stack, you can. But also remember that it is a very individualistic type of investment or hobby. So let's talk about why silver. Now, silver is very, very important. It's a very beneficial, useful metal in the world. It's a very, very key asset in our technology, in our laptops, our cell phones, in space equipment, in mirrors and dental alloys, in photography, in the medical field. There's silver nanoparticles, there's colloidal silver. There's so many uses for silver in the world, in the everyday world, and we need more and more of it every single day. But the thing about this is, it's getting harder to mine out of the ground. It's becoming less profitable, so miners aren't digging it up as much as they would. There's silver shortages happening. Also, silver is a very undervalued asset. It's only around $15, $16 when gold is around $1,500. So that's really undervalued. Why do people always see gold as the royal metal? Well, it's always been like that. Gold is king. Gold is, the mighty. It's fancy. But to be completely honest, silver and gold are pretty close. They only come out of the ground roughly 9 to 1, but the ratio is around 90 to 1, which means it takes 90 ounces of silver to equal 1 ounce of gold, which means that silver is extremely undervalued and it has more potential than gold. So what we're doing as silver stackers is buying this undervalued metal that has a lot more potential to appreciate in price, and then hopefully in return, later down the line, we can sell that silver for large profits. Now, it's not only about making money though. A lot of us do love these coins. We love collecting them. We love the history, the artwork, and there's also many factors in that as well. But it really is up to you. If you want to be a quick flipper and just buy and sell, flip coins on eBay, you can do that. If you want to be a long haul stacker and just buy and stack your silver and let it sit over the years, then you can do that as well. There's safer directions to go. I definitely think the long haul stacker is more safe than quick flipping coins. But if you have the knowledge behind it and you're educated and you know the market and you understand the market, then go for it. Why not? It really is up to you, and that's what I love about silver stacking is it's so individual, and there's so many directions you can go. There's also things like there's poured bars, which is more character, where people hand pour their silver from home or in their garage or basement, and that's really cool because it brings the character to the bars. There's pour lines, and it's silver to in an art form, which is really exciting. It's really cool. It brings a whole new community to the silver world as well. So if you like that, if you're more artistic and you want to go that direction, you can. A lot of people like just stacking constitutional silver, which is really cool because it's a piece of American history. They don't make it anymore. You can find key dates. You can go coin roll hunting. You could buy a roll of quarters or a roll of $50 from your bank and hopefully find some pre-1965 coins in there. And that's a really, really fun way to do it as well. You can go coin roll hunting with your kids and, hopefully, and you can teach them about the history of America or wherever your coins are from. And it's a great community bonding experience and also a great way to find some hidden gems in there. And then you can also go the direction of just buying tubes of American Eagles. If you just want to buy one tube of American Eagles every month and just put them in a monster box and stack them away, you can do that as well. And each way, there's no wrong way to do it. Each of those directions is it's just extremely profitable and beneficial, and you really can't go wrong. And that's what I love about this. But also, I want to talk about another part of silver stacking. We don't just buy silver for the reasons previously mentioned, but it's also a way to preserve our wealth in something that holds its value. Silver's been deemed valuable for thousands of years, and it's always been deemed as a currency, a measured currency, which means it's always had some type of value in every type of society since man. And our dollar is losing its purchasing power. It's losing value. Hyperinflation is taking over the economy. Our financial system's crashing. So what we do as silver stackers is we put our fiat currency into silver and gold, as gold and silver has always held its value. So we're putting our deflating dollars into precious metals, which holds its value. So over time, our dollars our bank accounts aren't just depleting. That we're at least we're investing in something that still holds its value 20, 30, 40 years down the line. And that's something really important to understand and learn and research, because a lot of people don't know how urgent, how severe our financial crisis is. There's things like cashless nations appearing. There's countries now that their money is so worthless they have to weigh their money in trash bags because their has lost so much of its value. And America isn't far behind. We're $23 trillion in debt. There's no solution to this problem. The only thing we can do is prepare. And being prepared is definitely the safest, smartest thing to do. And the best way to prepare is buying precious metals. And I cannot say that enough. So if you do want to take control of your future, of your financial freedom, then definitely look into precious metals. I post links in my videos if you want to find great deals. There's places you can go online that are trusted sites. It's not like you have to risk buying fake silver. Places like AppMex, Provident Metals, JM Bullion, places like that. There's Modern Coin Mart. There's always legit silver and gold. You don't have to risk your money. If you don't like the coin or if it's scratched or something, you can send it back to them and they'll send you a new coin or refund your money. And it's all discreet shipping as well. So it's I know it can be very overwhelming at first, but trust me, this is something that's going to change your life. I've learned patience. I've learned how to budget my money. I've learned the real value of a dollar. I've learned how I can't, like, just because I can buy something doesn't mean I can afford it. I've learned tons of different rules I can apply to my actual life as well. And I know you will too. The silver stacking community is also a wonderful place. I do giveaways. I do shout outs. I do unboxings. I do tutorials. I do it all. So this is something that I definitely think you're going to have a lifelong amount of fun with, and I also am excited to welcome you to this silver stacking community. Also, make sure to smash that like button if you thought this video was educational or just entertaining. I make daily videos, so subscribe if you already haven't. This was Silver Slayer. I will see you guys soon. Peace.